First we will remove the top part. You will see this arrow, and this one shows you where you have to start removing this rubber. And now we remove the bottom part. The bottom simply gets pulled up. Before we run the wire through, we will also remove this white plastic piece. This will help us to reinstall the rubber boot. Once we are done pulling the wire, there are a couple of clips on the sides, guys, which you can press with a flathead screwdriver, and this will allow you to release this plastic thing, and then it will be much easier to reinstall the rubber on it when it's down. The rubber also has 3 guides, so you will have to orient it properly and pull it back on top of the white plastic ring. Any extra amount of cable that you guys have can be hidden underneath the roof liner. And you can also hide it right here once we pull it through. We will wrap the electrical connector with electrical tape, since we'll be using the hand sanitizer as the lubricant. The rubber boot already has a small opening, which you can use to push through our rear cable. We have to slowly push it in, guys. Keep in mind that there are other wires in there already. And like we said, this lubricant simplifies this process significantly. There it goes. I will wipe off any lubricant that we still have left over on the cable, and next we will push it through this opening. When you guys reinstall the boot, again make sure that this arrow points right here, and then simply push it inside. It will snap, and we have this one, same idea. Push it in.